Hello students, this is lecture number 7 of Microprocessor and Interfacing series, and today we are going to study about the types of flag registers that are there in 8085 microprocessor. In the previous video we studied about the types of registers, so if you haven't watched that video, please watch that video first and then watch this video, which is lecture number 7, so that you can get an idea about all the types of registers that are there in 8085. So flag registers, it is a very important topic from your exam point of view. A direct question for 5 marks can come in your exam. So basically, the flag registers can be shown in 8 separate cells. Okay, so the first cell is your S, the second is your Z. This keep it empty. The fourth is your AC. Next keep it as empty. The next is your P. Sorry. Then keep it empty. And then it's CY. Okay. Now what is S? S basically tells us about the sign of the input or size of the instruction that is stored in the flag register. Okay, so tells us about the sign. So it is your sign flag. Okay, then comes your Z. Z is your zero flag. Okay, Z is your zero flag. Then we are keeping this portion as it is, that is empty. Then comes our auxiliary carry, then again empty. Then comes your parity flag, and then again empty, and then comes is your normal carry flag. Okay, so these are basically the different types of flags in 8085. Okay, now we will study them from backwards from here. Okay, let's now see what is basically a carry flag. Okay, let's take an example that we are given a data, that is A is equals to 10H. Here H is your hexadecimal, then B is your 20H, again in hexadecimal, and an instruction is there which is to add. Hence we need to add A and B. Okay, so when we convert them into binary, we get our A as 0001, 00000. Then comes our B. B is 20 hexadecimal. So in binary it would be 0010 and then zeros again. Okay. And then the instruction is to add these two numbers. Okay. So basically this is D0, which is 0th bit. This is 1 bit. This is the B2 bit. This is the 3rd bit. This is the 4th. Then comes the 5th. Then 6th. Then 7th. Hence, there are total 8 bits, right? So when we add these two numbers A and B, we get our result as 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and 0. Am I right? 0, 0, 0, 0, double one, double zero. Yes. Okay. Now, for the CY, that is your carry flag, we check the seventh bit, which is your D7 over here. Okay, we check it. Right? In the answer, the D7 bit is your 0. When D7 bit is 0, we set our carry flag as 0. Okay, if D7 is 0. Okay, we set our carry flag as 0. And when D7 bit is 1, we set our carry flag as 1. That means there is a carry. Okay, children. So that is what the carry flag or the CY flag holds. Then we come to P. P is your parity flag. Now, what does this parity flag do if the total number of ones parity? Okay. Now, what does this parity do? It says if total number of ones in the result are even, okay, our parity bit is 1, else हम लोग अपनी parity को 0 के बराबर रख देते हैं. So this is what the parity says. Cool? You should know. Now, in this example, we are having only two ones, hence we'll set our parity to 1 because there are even number of ones. Then comes our auxiliary carry. In these blank spaces, we can even put a cross denoting that there's nothing in these cells or the blocks. Okay, we put nothing over here. Then comes our AC. AC is your auxiliary carry. Now it is for the same purpose as the carry flag, but here we check the third bit. Here we check the third bit. Okay, now the third bit is over here 0. Okay, this is our third bit. Okay, so if our third bit is 0, what is auxiliary carry? If D3 अगर 0 है तो हमारा AC भी क्या कर दो 0 कर दो. जब हमारा D3 1 है तो हमारे AC को भी क्या कर दो 1 कर दो. So in your carry, here carry flag, we check the D7th bit, and for your auxiliary carry we check the D3 bit. For carry we check the D7 bit. Then again an empty block, then move further, it is your 0 flag. Now what this 0 flag or Z denotes? It says when result is non-zero. Okay, when result is non-zero, we put Z as 1, else Z as 0. तो जब हमारा जो आउटपुट या रिजल्ट होता है उसकी आठों की आठों बिट अगर 0 हो जाती है, ओके, तो हम लोग अपने 0 फ्लैग में 0 रख देंगे कि भाई आठों की आठों बिट हमारी क्या हो गई है 0. ठीक है, तो हम z को 0 रख देंगे, लेकिन अगर हमारा रिजल्ट जो है नॉन जीरो है तो हम लोग z इक्वल्स टू 1 लिख देंगे. ओके, seeing this example again, it is a non-zero result, hence our z value would be what? 1. Okay, then comes your S, which is your sign flag. Now again for the sign flag, we need to check your D7 bit. Okay, if this D7 bit is 1, we say that the sign is going to be negative. If this D7 bit is 0, we say that the sign flag would be positive. Okay, so here also we check on the D7 bit. In this example, our D7 bit is 0. When our D7 bit is 0, hence we say that sign flag has a value which is plus. Okay, so this was all about the types of flag registers in 8085. If you have any doubt regarding this or any of the previous videos, you can just comment down below and ask your doubts. I fully try to reply to you all. That's it for the video. You may pause the video and even note all this down. So let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you guys.